Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. It has been a long and arduous month. I know I left you all off at a point where the car was broken down on the side of the street on our road trip. So here's a little update. The car is back in Chicago now. So that day I was able to research while my family was coming to get me. Research online. I went through reviews and such of mechanics in the neighborhood of where I broke down, which was Grand Haven, Michigan. I came across a company called EuroAsian Auto Care, and they were like about 3 miles from my location. So when my family came to get me, I actually decided to stay and wait for the car because it would be a 2-hour drive to our destination and then a 2-hour drive back. When they came and got me, it was already 5 a.m., which means I'd already spent 4 hours waiting on the side of the street. So anyhow, I noticed that the shop opened at 7:30. They had really good reviews. So as soon as the shop was open, I was at the door waiting for the owner. He came, his name was Mike, and he and the team decided to take on the project of get me back on the road. Mind you, the shop only stays open on Friday. They don't do Saturdays. So this was Friday morning, so I was glad I was there when the doors were open. And they had a busy schedule, but they mentioned that they would be able to squeeze me in, and they did, and they got the car ready by the end of the day. I wanted to thank EuroAsian Auto Care in actually helping me and my family to get back on the road. I'm truly grateful for their help. So give a massive shout out to Mike and the team at EuroAsian Auto Care. So we got the axle. I had to replace the axle and the hub on the car, and it cost me another $900. So I came back to Chicago. So that's the update. Oh, also I took the receipt to the shop where I originally got the work done, and they reimbursed me. So that's good on their part too, because I was kind of upset and disappointed because, you know, this is parts that I didn't even order, you know. I mean, I like aftermarket parts. These weren't parts that I ordered. This is parts the shop ordered, and for me to be driving on them and did not make my destination of I think it was a 330-mile trip, and I only made like 170. Yeah, I was kind of upset with that, but all fairness, I made it safely. My family came to get me. I was safe in rural, I guess I don't know if it's rural or whatever you call it, but the car is here. So that's the update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is kind of like a vlog kind of series on the updates on Skarlett, aka 2004 Audi A4 Ultra Sport. It's in the garage now, and there's more work to be done. So thank you again for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.
Wonder why I bow down to my knees when I pray. In my city gritty, gotta keep it on your waist, or you might be a victim, they'll find you DOA. I can't lie, really been addicted to you.